guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Jasmine, and in today's video we're installing yet another wig, and this wig is of course from LUVME hair, and this one is a 5x5 curly unit. I will have all the details and specs in the description box down below for you guys if you want to check it out. As you can see, the wig cap is constructed very nicely. It has an elastic band, and the lace is dang near see-through because look, I didn't even cut the lace yet and it already looks like it's disappearing into my forehead. It's kind of crazy. So here I was just trying to figure out like how I wanted to part it, and then once I decided I wanted a middle part, I just took a wax stick and I'm just putting that on the top of my head so that when I hot comb it, it lays super duper flat. I will say one thing about this hair and this lace in general is it is literally such good quality. Like I said, I'm cutting this lace just now, but it's invisible. Y'all see it? It looks like I'm low-key cutting nothing because this lace just blended into my head so perfectly, and I'm cutting that in like a zigzag motion so it blends even more. And now I'm just spraying the hair with some water. I really love the curls on this wig. They're so pretty, so natural looking, and I feel like it's the perfect summer curl pattern. So I just wanted to show you guys the curls and how they look when they are wet, and I'm gonna stand up for you just so you can see like the length and where it hits on me. It's pretty long hair. I want to say I think this was a 24-inch. It'll be in the description box down below, the exact length, but I also wanted to show you guys just how the hair looks straightened, because of course you can straighten this hair. I personally like to wear it curly, but I just wanted to show you guys the versatility of it, and that if you do straighten it, it'll give you more of like that natural looking hair when it's straightened. It'll almost look like it's your hair being straightened. Do you know what I'm saying? It's not like super silky pin straight. It still has like a good amount of texture to it. And here is a close-up. As you can see, it's straightened very nicely, and that was only a couple of passes, but I decided to just get the whole head wet just because I love how that curly hair looks during like this hot weather. So I'm just spraying the rest of my head, and yeah. Don't mind like the little edges of the wig. As you can see, it's just a 5x5, so that means that the lace is just in the center of the wig and not really on the edges. So in case you guys are new to wigs and are wondering why it kind of looks like that, it's just so it can tuck behind your ear easily, the wig. Now I'm just taking some mousse and I'm gonna go ahead and define those curls even further. I'm really just keeping this on like the top of the hair just so that when the hair does dry, it'll give it a nice definition without taking away any of that volume. Now I'm just taking a diffuser on a blow dryer, and I'm just going to be drying those curls just a little bit because I wanted to add a little bit more volume. I love voluminous curly hair. That's my mood. So we just went ahead and did that, and as you can see, it added a little bit of oomph to it. I absolutely love this wig, y'all. I think it is perfect for summer. If you're gonna be like by water, by a pool, if you get it wet, it's still gonna look cute. You know what I mean? It's not gonna mess up. It's not gonna transition back to its natural state or anything like that. LUVME hair, y'all never miss. This wig is top tier. Absolutely love. Make sure you guys check out LUVME hair. Like I said, all of the links will be in the description box down below, along with a code so you guys can save some money. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video.